there can be like 7 emotions at a time. So that is why Edward Bach, he suggests that you should never give more than 7 remedies. So there is one remedy for each emotion. So if we look at the emotions, it's called the fear, uncertainty, lack of interest, loneliness, influence in ideas, despair or despondency, welfare of others. So you have remedies under this category. So if a patient comes to you, he will be under the 7 emotions. That will be very rare. A person going through these 7 different emotions will be very rare, but he will be going through 5 or 2. In most cases he will be going through like fear, uncertainty, or lack of interest, and welfare of others. So it will be a mix. As a doctor, you should be able to identify. So the prescribing part is sometimes easy, sometimes difficult. It depends on the person. So for some person it will take just 5 minutes. For other person it will take 50 minutes. For somebody you can never come to a conclusion. So these are based on time, and these are based on the judgment. These are based on at the time of consultation. So what I have did in my course is to mix a little bit of astrological tools into it, and this will give you the right prescription. You'll be able to find out whether he's actually having a fear or is it uncertainty. You'll find the right emotion. So that is what I want to create through this course. I try to use tools to even simplify it, but it cannot be simplified. I'm trying hard to give the course to the next stage, but right now you'll find what is the right emotion in the patient's mind. So what is the actual problem, you'll find it. So if he says a lot of things, it's like a repertory. He will tell a lot of things, you have a lot of remedies, and finally you will cross out this is not the remedy, this is not the remedy, and finally you will get one single remedy. So at the max 2 remedies, 5 remedies is good, but suggesting more remedies like more than 7 is unnecessary, and you are not making the right judgment. So you should be careful while prescribing. You should never prescribe more than 7. So it also means that you have 7 chakras in your body, and it denotes that. So 3 is good. 3 remedies can solve the problem, sometimes 2, but never exceed 7. That is the most important thing. See you in a next video.